work a little bit here before maybe going out later. I'm gonna dry my hair with my two favorite products right now. This oil right here that I love, and the Way leave-in conditioner. I feel like it just gives me the perfect benefits of both. Put this all over my hair. It smells super nice. I always lose all my hair ties. Like I'd have like 50,000 hair ties and they would all just like disappear. Oh, I found one. So I'm gonna add a little blush. So after working out, I feel so much better. Night and day difference. I was feeling so sleepy, so just brain foggy kind of feeling. I don't know if it's the weather because it is super rainy today. It hasn't rained in a while in Vancouver. Maybe it is the weather, but I feel great now. And I'm ready to like work on my stuff. I don't know if any of you are like this, but I'm kind of like, I like to go with my feelings sometimes. It's great sometimes because when it's like in flow, I get so much done and it's like I feel great. But when it's not in flow and I'm not really feeling it, it can really like hold me back from doing things that I need to do. But right now I'm on this routine, and this routine's really gotten me focused on getting things done and just being in the right mindset every day. So important to have that because that's how you actually get big things done. So excited for you guys to follow along to see how things progress this year. Yeah, why not? Sluggish today. I have a huge to-do list. Did my morning routine, did journaling, did some meditation, but it's just one of those days where I'm feeling kind of like not super motivated. And this is kind of one of the areas that I'm really trying to focus on, is getting through these days. I'm not only working on my full-time job, but I also have my own brand that I'm building. I have things I want to do, my hobbies, and it's a lot. So I think sometimes all this kind of pressure I put on myself, and the key thing here is I'm putting the pressure on myself. No one's giving me that pressure to do everything. It does sometimes prevent me from actually doing things because there's just so much that I have on my mind that I want to accomplish. So one thing I'm just learning now is, number one, taking a step back and recognizing that none of these things are actually urgent or life and death situation. So these are all things that I want and I desire. These timeline I'm giving myself, it's things that I'm putting onto myself. So the person that can take it off is me. Another thing too is trying to break things down into smaller pieces, not focusing on the end goal of all these things that I'm trying to accomplish, but maybe the next step for each one of these that I'm trying to do. For example, today with recording videos, I couldn't really do it because I had to offload a lot of the videos on my iPhone to my computer and my hard drive. So I just kind of focused on that, try not to think about having to record things, try not to think about having to edit my videos, just focusing on the next step and being like, okay, let's just do that one next step and that's fine. You know, I don't need to be trying to accomplish all of the other steps today or right now. Another thing that can get me out of this unmotivated feeling is just going to the gym. I like going to spinning, staying hydrated, making sure I'm drinking and eating properly, eating things that are weighing me down, making me feel heavy and tired. Want to be on the video? Come on. Who are successful also get unmotivated a lot of the times. It's figuring out the right routines and also having a plan for when you don't feel motivated, even though you have all these great routines. What else can you do? You know, try little tactics, things that work for you. Maybe it's going for a walk. Maybe it's, you know, making a meal or relaxing a little bit or choosing the smallest things to do that could make you feel motivated again. Put so much pressure on yourself to the point where, you know, you're feeling like stressed out and that the whole journey isn't fun anymore. I hope this helped someone that's been watching this to feel a little bit more motivated on your sluggish, slow days. This year has been such a transformation for me. I'm still transforming into someone that I'm almost not even recognizing these days. If those of you who are also on the similar journey, really embrace the change and be kind to yourself. Yeah.
Is there a really exciting game on, I think?